So I don't already make name. And these are two prophets that people respect. You understand? A lot of people used to respect Father Mbaka. Also, the same way a lot of people used to respect Prophet Ebuka. So please, for me to talk, I will only say that they should stop this their fighting, this their argument. They should stop it entirely because it cannot help them. Rather, it will be damaging and destroying their names. Though somebody said that it's making them to trend more, but I know these people already they have already made it. They have already trained. A lot of people knows them. So for them to trend in this kind of argument, you understand, my dear, I no support them at all. So now waiting me, I can't say make me a chook mouth small. Don't be saying na something bad because I believe say some of my friends say if they been hear waiting if I can't talk this kind of thing finish now they will just want blow me with one kind of yeah comment. I beg. I did not say anything wrong. I only say